Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry for the interruption. I'm pretty much just wrapping up the video right behind me. But before we begin, I just wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you again to AWE Tuning for sponsoring the parts in this video series. If you guys wanted to check out a bunch of sound clips for the Track Edition, Touring Edition exhaust systems for the 10th gen Honda Civic, which will also include sound clips of how these systems sound with aftermarket downpipes, definitely consider subscribing to their channel as well. And don't forget to follow them on Instagram too. So with that being said, let's get to this video. Hey guys, how's it going? Pawinning here. Welcome back to the channel. It's awesome to have you guys here. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new AWE Touring Edition exhaust system that we installed in the last video here into my friend Eddie's Civic Type R. If you guys missed that last video, I'll link it up in the top right hand corner. But basically after a couple hundred miles of driving or so, the system is kind of broken in. AWE recommends about 800 to 1,000 miles of driving to really let the packing material expand inside the resonators and the mufflers. I've been driving the car for a good 2 hours now, and what I noticed is that the system is definitely louder than my SI system, even though they both have Touring Edition exhaust systems. However, I do find that the drone control is still consistent. AWE has done a really good job at pulling out the best sounds from this engine. This car kind of crackles a little bit less than my SI. I don't know if it's just because the way these cars are tuned stock, but both cars are on stock tunes as we speak. I'm excited to see how Eddie performs next season so I can follow up and get more sound clips from the track.
I love it. I absolutely love it. Definitely has a defining tone to it that's a little bit different than all the other exhausts that are out in the FK8 Type R market. I think it looks beautiful. It has a great growl to it, and on startup you definitely know that it's not stock. My car has an upgraded lower motor mount, and I think that contributes to the noise between 2,700 and 3,000. I think it's the resonance.
Got
the
you.
sound of the exhaust
Translating into like the cabin and stuff like that. That makes sense.
It just, vibrates it a bit. It's not anything unbearable. I wouldn't consider it, a reason to not purchase this exhaust at all, but it's something to note.
I can't even imagine how the Track Edition exhaust would sound.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely, because this is loud. I mean, again, stock cat in it. It's not, I don't have a downpipe on it. And when you get on it, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
Definitely.
It starts to sound like the Track Edition exhaust when you just go full on out. Which
Like before, it sounded like a Dyson vacuum cleaner, because all you could hear was intake, which it sounds good, but now it's got a different tone to it, and it's got a good happy medium of intake, turbo inlet noises, and exhaust. I think you're getting an amazing package. It includes the front pipe. That's a full 3-inch diameter pipe. You and I, got to look at it under the car. The fitment's great. The amount of adjustability you have with the tips, if you want to go for a different look, if this gets old, I don't know how it could possibly get old, but if it does, you can change the tips. But this exhaust, it's definitely a great addition to a stock Type R, a modified Type R. I'm sure it's going to sound great if you put a downpipe on it.
Alright guys, it's starting to snow, so winter's definitely here for sure. But anyways, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please consider leaving a like down below. And if you guys also wanted to leave a comment just to give me some feedback, that would also be greatly appreciated. I'm always looking to improve my content wherever I can, and any help that you guys can give me yields better videos in the future. So again, a huge thank you to AWE Tuning for sending me these exhaust systems for both my SI and the FK8 Civic Type R. Eddie's really happy with the system, and I'm really happy with how both systems sound, to be honest. I'm going to probably be posting a couple more teaser clips of the exhaust as well, and maybe try to compare the two systems side by side a little bit more thoroughly. But with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video.